Hi dearest, how are you all doing? Merry Christmas once more. So I'm doing a little change. My daughter didn't fancy this one. In case you haven't yet seen this, I think I'm putting it up first. In case you haven't seen this, please, I will drop the link below if you want to know how to make this pretty Crinoline Fascinator. I think it's too big for her head, that's why she didn't like it. So I'm making a different one right now with this. I need to measure it, so I'll tell you, but it's like 1 inch, isn't it? Should be 1 inch. So the whole whatever is 4 yards. I don't know how many yards I'm going to be using, but let's start doing. She wants it something small and unique, so we're going to just start making loops because she says she wants loops. So it's going to be like a loopy fascinator. So this is what I do not like, when this, what do you call it, this fishing line goes off from here. People should talk to it, let it not go out again. And it's like as if it has tied somewhere now. Or do I have to pause this video? I think I need to pause the video. I'll be back. Let me remove the tie. Congratulations to Chancellor Bazo. I hope I got that 3238 for winning the challenge for last week. If you check the description of this video, you will see the Vencraft Academy link. You click on it and make your request for your gift. Your gift is a free brooch class 3. Congratulations once more. And remember everyone, if you stay to the end of this video, you might be the next winner. So I'm back. I've done it. So let's continue with our loops. And we'll see how many yards we are going to use. I hope this is not going to be too big. I'm not doing it too big, am I? No, I don't think this is too big. This should be okay. She's 13 years. This I think is okay. So I'm just going to be doing various loops. I don't know how many yards we're going to use. So what we're going to do is, after we are done, we're going to calculate the number of yards left. Remember I said that the total is like 4 yards. Okay. So I hope you're following what I'm doing. If I didn't take it too up that you were not seeing, but it's a loopy thing actually. All loops, all loops, all loops. I want to bend this. I want this to come. To cover this side. Good. Next one here. Settling in here like this. Can you see like this? In like this. Cross it in sort of, so I need to pass that somehow. I want to cross it in like this. Okay, still going to make it same size as was there, like that. Okay, and then take this in like this again, just a small one. Okay. No, not liking the way it is. Let's take it this way. Okay. Okay. Then we'll pass this in like this again. I'm creating on the go, so I hope you are following. So I'm sure if you want to create it, you can just watch the video again if you're unable to get exactly the way I'm doing it. Okay. Now this to make it smaller. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Just like this. Okay. Gonna cross it like this again. Show this one here. Make it almost same size. No, I don't like that one. Okay. Let's see how to look if we cross it this way. Yeah, it's nice. Yeah. Okay. Almost as if there's a space in this side here. People are going one side. So you're going to be able to close it up. Okay, yes. Alright. So I think this should be okay. So let's take this to the back. Does it look as if there's anything missing? No? I think it's okay. So probably if we do this here, do I need to cross that like that? No. Let's take it. So I need to cut off this. So we're doing the last part now. So take this here. Allow this part to hold it. Oh, and our thread went off again. Hope you're following. Okay. So I take this here. Okay, now that's thread seems like it went okay. So this is to hold everything together. Uh-oh. Did I grab this by mistake? Okay, no. Okay. I said so. I take that and I put here. On the side. Then of course you know for this you grab the material on the Alice band. That's what we're doing. Grab the material on the Alice band. I need to cut off that excess. You can see grab the material on the Alice band. And because it's fishing line, I may not even need to cover anything at all. Okay, so for this period, it's the discount which everyone is getting, 50% discount off all our classes. You get to hear more of it soon. And this season also, we have kind of like an award for everyone, so to speak, because all our classes are going for half price throughout the month of December. So if you want to join the Craft Academy, check the description of this video and you will see the link. Ensure you have Telegram installed on your phone. Click on the link and then you make a request for the classes that are available so that you can take your pick and get our Christmas bonanza 50% discount off any class of your choice. So I can knot it. And that's it. So I'm going to put it on the lady's head so you see how it is. I thought I was going to be using red ribbon on this, but no need. I think this is just perfect the way it is. So we'll try it out.